officially to the 80th anniversary of Remo Secondary School. If you're happy, put your hands together.
RSS is one of the best schools I can talk about. I just want to let you know that as this program evolves, we just want to let you know most of the things that you will hear here are those things that will add value, that will bring information to your life. And as you go on, I pray God will bless you all. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, today I would like us to quickly recognize the national president of ROSA, Are Adetola Emmanuel King. Welcome. Welcome, sir.
Esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is with immense pride, deep gratitude, and a sense of purpose that I welcome you all to this very important segment of RSS at 80th anniversary celebration, the anniversary lecture. Today's gathering represents the intellectual soul of our celebration. While anniversaries give us reasons to rejoice, it is a moment like this that we give reasons to reflect, to interrogate our collective journey, and to recommit ourselves to the ideals upon which Remo Secondary School was founded 80 years ago.
Today, we have a very distinguished person, and all students of this school address us and the nation on the matter of inclusive education.
If we do all of these and many more, we will be able to embrace inclusive education. We are not just forming individual lives, we are building a strong nation. A well-educated populace is key to economic growth, social togetherness, and democratic leadership. I'm an advocate of gender mainstreaming. And by gender mainstreaming, we are not talking about equality. No. We are saying that in areas where our policies are deficient, in terms of ensuring that we have enough girls, enough boys, enough men, enough women in places of work, in politics, it should be redressed to recognize our vibrant students of Remo Secondary School. Dear students, I want to say good afternoon and God bless you. Because we succeeded in this school, you will succeed. Even succeed beyond us. God will keep you.